And welcome back. Well, I have the wing section and the aileron in transparency mode, but they are frozen. Okay, so now we're going to create the hinges that connect the aileron to the wing. Let's pop into our left viewport for this. Again, I'm not, well, let's pop over here so we can actually see. I'm not too bothered about the size at the moment, so let's pop into our create. I think we're going to pick shapes, and we'll go for splines and a line. Now, for the part which is attached to the aileron, that's a flat section, so if I press shift, you'll see it goes straight there. Left click that, it comes down there, and about up to there. Close the spline, I'm going to say yes. We'll convert this now to an editable spline. There we go. Pop down into line, go to vertices, and I want these two vertices here to be smooth. So let's smooth those out. Then of course we can select them, and one at a time. So let's bring that closer in. Let's convert that one. In fact, we'll convert both of these to Bezier corners. Come on. Bezier corners there. Let's zoom in a little bit. Remember, if we just move it a touch, it should then let us move that out a little bit. About there. Let's bring this one in. That one looks fine. That one, bring it down a touch, and that's okay. Okay, up to that, we want to go back into splines again. I'm going to select a circle. Now we're going to place this circle about there. Well, let's move it down a touch. Say about there. Now we'll select this one, pop up to modify. We've got line there, and I want to attach that one there. Let's now extrude. There we go. We've got our caps. It's saying 0 at the moment. Let's increase that a little bit. Put it into perspective mode, and let's have a look at the thickness. Yep, that looks about fine there. Okay, back into our left mode, Z for zoom, and then we can just pull back here. Now if we have a look at our picture again, we can see that's the part that we've just created, and now we need to create this part here, and that swings around here but swings up into the wing as well. Okay, so let's collapse this, convert to a poly, back into our create. We'll create another line this time. I'm going to start here, bring it down there, bring that round here, and it will go up into the wing, so let's bring that just there, down there, about there, and finish off there. Close the spline, yes. Let's select a move tool, just bring it over a little bit. We'll see that there. And we can convert this now to an editable spline. Select lines, into vertices. I want these there, that one there, and these here. We'll right click for our quad menu and we'll smooth those out. Let's select that one there, just pull that round a little bit. This one, bring that over to there. That doesn't look too bad. Just level this one up a little bit. There. Okay, right click, don't forget the right click, go up to line. I just want to move it over to there a little bit. Let's have a look. That looks okay. We'll add extrude. Let's give it a cap, say that on that one. Let's go into perspective. Now what I want to do is bring this down, make it a little bit thinner. Let's pull it into the center there. Looks about right. And we'll convert that one to poly. Okay, let's select both pieces, pop into our left view, pull them over, bring them down. Now remember, we're not too bothered about the size when we're creating them. Zoom in, bring them across, get them in position. That's about right there. Move them across. Once we've got them round about there, we can then go left, zoom, pull back a little bit, up to our scale tool, and we've got them both selected so we can scale them both down. Perspective, pull out, there they are. Zoom around a little bit, move and select tool, W. Let's bring that up. Now we can see that just poking through the aileron there in that one. So let's rotate it a little bit on that axis. There we go. Let's rotate around a touch more. W, and that needs to go back. Round about there. As you can see, that section now is into the wing. We can see that profile there. And that's looking about right. Just bring that up a little bit more there. Let's just take this one, bring that forward a little bit, rotate it again. This is just a little bit of faffing about for the time being, but once it's in position, there we go. Let's have a look. It's not too bad. Okay, so if I now go to our layers manager, front wing, we unfreeze the wing and the aileron, close that. Then if we select the aileron, Alt X, select the wing, Alt X, let's have a look. There we are. We have that in position. Now, as we have that one selected, or we have the wing selected, in fact what I'll do is just select line 1, press Control, select go to H. It's a bit difficult there. I want line 1 and 2 selected. Yep, OK. Let's make a copy of this, so press Shift. So we've got our copy. Say OK. All we need to do now is just put this in position round about over here, roughly there, bring it up, bring it across and down a bit. Let's have a look. Almost there. See, it's just away from that, so we might have to scale this one down a little bit. Scale again, because they're not the same size. Not much I do know. Move again, bring that up, make sure it's on the line. That looks good. Now that's looking about right. Okay, let's deselect. Now with that aileron, we'll select that, and I want to come down to attach. I want to select line 1 on that, and line 4 on that one. Switch attach off, select our wing, and on this one we go attach, and we select line 2 and line 3, and there we go. So that's that part done. Well, I've just noticed the time again, how it flies when you're enjoying yourself. But before I do go, here's an interesting fact. Louis Blériot flew across the English Channel from France to Dover in the early hours of July the 25th, 1909. By August of that same year, the British military had their first anti-aircraft guns in place along the south coast. I'll catch you later.